Sanibonani bantu basemzansi usibubhana lona ngihamba
Omega Khunou
Vuma Zayoni
Nhlapo Zayoni Boni.
All right, we are here to invite you to Ayihlome, the prayer walk that will be happening on the 18th of this month.
Next weekend.
Is it next weekend?
Yeah, next weekend.
Yeah, the prayer will start at the march. Actually, will start at Grace Bible Church, Soweto, and then we'll be moving around the streets of Soweto praying, and we'll go back to Grace Bible Church now to start that service for prayer. So all the gospel artists, pastors, churches, you are all invited. Let's gather there and trust God for South Africa.
You are all invited to come and rejoice this beautiful day with us. It's the 16th Crown Awards. Here we come.
Hashtag a new season.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, the 18th.
So I'm available around Zonke Ndawe Gauteng. Let's see each other at Grace, and the whole idea is to create awareness around gender-based violence and all the problems and challenges that South Africa faces, including Nhlapo and drug abuse. So let's be there and call upon the Lord to intervene in our country.
Yeah,
and call the number from the screen.